How to replace the touchpad.
Caution. Observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, hard disk drive, and base plate frame. Removal. Gently lift up on the locking bar on the touchpad board ZIF connector on the touchpad board, and remove the touchpad board ribbon cable. Important. Use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. If present, peel up the tape over the NFC antenna ZIF connector and gently lift up on the rear locking bar on the NFC antenna ZIF connector on the NFC module and remove the NFC antenna ribbon cable. Important. Use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully peel up the 2 pieces of grounding tape from the touchpad to the top cover. Carefully lift the top end of the touchpad off of its alignment pins and out from under the guide tabs at the front of the top cover. Remove the touchpad. Replacement. Tow the front end of the touchpad under the guide tabs in the top cover and into its compartment over alignment pins and screw holes. Gently press the 2 pieces of grounding tape back into place over the touchpad and top cover. If present, insert the NFC antenna ribbon cable into the ZIF connector on the NFC module, and gently press down on the ZIF connector rear locking bar. Important. Use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. If present, replace the tape over the NFC antenna ZIF connector on the NFC module. Insert the touchpad board ribbon cable into the ZIF connector on the touchpad board, and gently press down on the ZIF connector locking bar. Important. Use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Continue the reassembly. Replace the base plate frame, hard disk drive, wireless LAN module, battery, and base enclosure.